And look who's turned up. It's a SPOG. SPOG the van.
Oh, you're going to want a grand tour of SPOG van.
Oh. What do you think then, Sue?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Eh?
It is a bit lovely.
Come on then, Pip, tell us what.
Okay, you want to know all about SPOG?
Tell us what Pops our SPOG has got.
Okay, SPOG doesn't have a lot because he's, you know, he has power.
Yeah.
He has a cooker, but it's all very primitive cooking.
Oh, that's good.
He has, don't worry about the fridge because I don't ever use it.
Yeah, a little fridge that you
It's
don't
like
use.
a glorified cool box, but I am going to get a cool box because that's a lot of power. You've got to plug it in first and then get it up to temperature, and it's all a load of faff, so I don't do that.
Okay.
I've got diesel heater under there.
Love the pictures.
Yeah.
My pictures. Yeah, that's my new. I've got this panel to do, that panel to do.
So this is your own work.
That's my work. That's my work. I
Lovely.
get inspiration off of the internet.
Ceiling.
My ceiling.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the pirate theme is slowly going, and he's becoming more me.
Yes.
This is my latest addition, which my friend Rod and I worked on this week.
Oh yeah, a pulley system.
A pulley system, because
Yeah.
this bed is really heavy.
Yeah.
So when it comes out, it goes all the way to here.
yeah, it's nice
and-
big size.
Yeah, so I've just got the whole thing turns into a bed, which is another reason I'm getting rid of the fridge, because obviously you can't open the fridge when you.
No.
So I have to stand out there and then try and lean in here to about this point to try and pull the bed up, which is really bad on my back.
Not good.
So we hook that now, and then I pull it up, and I can even do it with the door shut, which I couldn't do before.
Brilliant.
Because you can't get in the right angle to.
Oh,
Thomas's dad.
ingenious.
Thomas's dad helped me with that, yeah.
Little Thomas that said hello to us, wasn't it, the other
Oh,
day?
when you rang me, yeah.
Yeah, little
He was
darling.
in the kitchen wanting to know how I made cups of tea.
Oh, listen.
Yes. So that is.
And you've got your privacy curtains that you made.
Oh, here.
Yes, my
There.
privacy
Wow,
curtains.
yeah.
Is that the technical term? Is it privacy curtains? I like that. So yeah, my curtains. And then I just have these
And your
things.
pretty little lights and
Yeah, my little
dangly
pretty
bits.
lights and pom-poms
Yeah.
and you know
oh,
things.
great.
And then this is my new thing.
Oh, you've got the plastic containers for
Yeah, I
them to go
went
in
for the
now.
plastic container, and they
That's
didn't
good.
move last
That's
night.
better.
Sorry, this morning on the way here. So
Oh, they're good fit. Where did you get those from?
Amazon.
Amazon. Oh.
Yes.
Ah,
Good.
£6 something, I think.
That's-
But the
that's
thing
good.
is, it's a drain. It's a cutlery thing.
Yeah,
But you get two for the price of one, because one slots inside the other one. You
Oh,
see,
that's
so I'll
good.
take them apart and use them as storage.
Yeah.
So
That's good.
That works well.
so do you travel all the time on your own, Pip?
All the time on my own.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is,
All the time.
so it's
well, I meet
absolutely
up with
ideal.
people like you guys.
Well, yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, no,
Yeah.
I'm always.
Ah.
solo
So it's
travel.
absolutely ideal for one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to share SPOG.
No.
No, if I'm honest. Because there's no privacy.
Yeah.
No.
And if you need the toilet at night, the toilet is on the end of the bed in the corner.
Oh,
So
okay.
there's really no privacy.
Okay, so you got a little portable
Portable,
one.
yeah.
Yeah.
So there's really no privacy at all.
That's-
You'd have to really be comfortable with the person
Yeah.
you're sharing
And I
with.
like your little knit hearts.
So these were for
Or
mine and
crocheted.
Lee's hand fasting a few years ago. And my friend, they were on a stick, but the stick slowly disintegrated. In fact, the stick is what is being used. I've incorporated the stick into it. So it's like something my friend made for us as a decoration
nice.
for the day. And so I've kept these as a sentimental thing in the van. And then the stick has been incorporated into that pulley system. So
Brilliant.
that's the handle for me to pull.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
So yeah, like this little sentimental thing I had has been
Yeah,
revamped
been
into other
reused.
bits for the van.
That's nice.
So yeah, my friend bought me that for Christmas. My mum gave me this,
Oh.
and that's a postcard from somebody, my mum or my sisters from Sutton Hoo.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah,
And I liked it, so yeah, that's somewhere I do need to go to. Yeah.
Did you watch The Dig? Have you seen
did,
The
it was
Dig?
brilliant, yeah.
Yeah,
Loved that.
he was 100% pass mark for his Suffolk accent, weren't you, Shrev?
Definitely.
Brilliant. Loved it, loved it.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is yeah. So it has blackout things for the windows, but I don't like them because they are the old checked fabric that came with the van,
Yeah.
and they're getting very threadbare, like on the whatever it is on the other blackout stuff, shredding.
Yeah, we have like a
So-
silver
You
screen.
can buy those
Thermal-
the blackout linens, can't you?
Oh yeah,
And you could do them onto the ribbons either side, where you just roll them up and
tie
tie the
them.
ribbons at the bottom.
well I was
And
thinking
Velcro.
I was thinking of that, but I was also thinking of going for a bit of expense because I don't spend a lot on the van.
No.
So there's a company that I contacted that don't have, so they have back window thermal, so you can have the inside whatever colour you want, and then the other is like wool and then thermal lining.
Yeah.
So it goes against the windows, but they haven't got a template. Well, they don't know if they've got a template. This isn't a model they make it for. They do the front windows and the side bits, but they don't do, and they do the back, but they don't do these side ones.
Oh, okay.
So they said do measurements, and they'll see if one of the other templates fits.
Yeah.
And if that's the case, then I'll buy those because.
Brilliant.
Yeah, why not?
Because in all weathers, you know, like when it's very cold, you need to, you know, keep condensation down, and that would a lot, wouldn't it, if you've got a thermal
That's what
blinds.
they said, and you just like stick them on with the.
Little magnets.
No, they're like suction cups.
Oh right, okay.
So on the window.
Yeah.
Good.
And like I said, you can have whatever interior colour. They've got loads of different colours,
Oh, nice.
materials. It's not just boring. I can
No.
have something nice and bright, or different colour on.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, but
Do you need more colour then, Pip? Do you think?
Yeah, rainbow.
It's not enough colour.
Rainbow would be
A
nice.
rainbow material would be amazing. There's just not enough colour in this fan. I'm sorry.
It's lovely.
Ours is a bit boring colour-wise.
It is very dull
See,
and
this
grey.
is the one space that I can do whatever I
Yes,
like
you can
to.
do it.
I mean, Lee's very good about me doing whatever I like, you know, because he just doesn't get involved. He just go, yeah, whatever makes you happy.
That's
But when
amazing.
I said, can I paint the kitchen pink, he was categorically no.
No, yes.
So
So
I can do
Spog
it
is 1 year old, is that right?
18 months.
18 months old now.
I got him in August last year. So
Lovely.
yeah,
Yeah.
nearly 2.
Yeah. Good. And so this is your second season, summer season, as it were.
Well, in the fashion,
Yeah.
COVID,
Yeah.
willing.
Yeah. That's
I
right.
had a bit of travel time.
Yeah.
I was travelling, I was in North Yorkshire the week before we went into lockdown.
Yeah.
Darwin Keith.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, we.
But it's going to get better, isn't it?
it is. I'm gonna. Make
So I'm
up
going to look
some
round the
time.
outside of Spog now.
Okay, you look.
Here's a
I'm gonna
cab,
have
look.
to take
There's a
tea.
cab.
Shall I put it in the microwave? I did put a lid on it, but I don't know how.
It says a Renault, isn't it?
It is a Renault.
We love the wheels.
Oh, we do love these are Pip's wheels.
I did those.
You
I'm
might
so
know.
proud of my wheels.
Yep. Her very own
There's a
work.
big difference.
They were
Oh, look at
boring
that.
van wheels and
Yeah,
rusty and
much
horrible.
What a cracking little camper van for a lady.
Good spot for you.
That's a lovely spot for me,
Happy for
yeah.
that?
Yeah, I think so.
There's not going to be any complaints about whether or not you're above or
Are we
below
amo-
camper van tails and.
Are we amongst
Womble.
friends up there?
You are amongst friends, yeah.
Wandering Womble. That's Kevin, isn't it?
Yeah, that's Kev.
And camper van tails is Keith
Daryl and Keith.
and Al, yeah.
Right, let's put you there, yeah. There you
Oh,
go.
marvellous.
You have been added to the Wall of Fame.